Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create YouTube channel. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using, and you have to log into your Gmail account. So first of all, you have to create a Gmail account. Once you will create a Gmail account and log in with your Gmail, so once you will do it, you have to open the youtube.com. You can do the same process on your phone. If you are on your phone, just open your browser and search for the youtube.com. Once you will do it, here you will see profile icon, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you will see YouTube studio option, so click on it. Once you will click on it, you will see create channel option. So I have already created a channel from here, and once you will do it, as you will see, channel is here. So this is the total process. You can create YouTube channel in just one click. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.